Hello and welcome to Kisa Design. Today we have something special for you. We felt like it was time for a new project. A watch project, of course. A while ago we started with the development of a new titanium watch. Now we're at a point where we'd like to share our progress with you. The design and development of a new version of our tragwerk.T. So join us in the workshop, look over our shoulders and see how the journey of our new project started. Accompany us on this special journey in our next few videos. Today's video is focused on the why. I mean, why do we come up with a new watch? Why did we create that particular design? We are an independent watchmaking company that will always focus on craftsmanship and innovation. We're proud to be independent from any corporate design guidelines and pressure of fast growth. We can think creatively in the most joyful way. That gives us complete freedom in our thinking. Those of you who've been following us for a while know that we are known for our highly customized titanium watches with our lightweight patented exoskeleton. When you own a watch from us, you usually have to wait up to 5 or even 6 months until you can hold your unique piece in your hands. The reason is that each of our watches is made to fit the customer's specific requirements, each as a single piece of art with its own production process, only existing once in the whole world, made for each of our customers in a unique way. Over the years we have built many different tragwerk.T, as we call our lightweight titanium watch. No watch looks like the other. Every watch has the handwriting of the respective owner and me as the designer and maker. It is not just a watch, it's the joint process of our customers and us creating a dream watch together. It's a lot of fun for us and especially for our customers to create their piece unique. It's a creative, iterative journey and an exciting experience of its own. And of course, it's not a single conversation, but a back and forth until the true art piece is developed. Okay, let's return to our workshop. During the past 5 years of building unique watches, we got the chance to get to know our customers and our community quite well. This is because we are a small company of 4 creative, passionate people that are dedicated to building innovative watches. We are in direct contact with the people who value our craftsmanship. As many of you already know, it is important for us to give you a true and undisguised insight into our business and let you participate in our decision-making processes. So here is a rundown of the most important things we have found out. Some watch enthusiasts are impatient. As a watch lover myself, I totally feel you. Even if you are used to waiting for a few weeks when buying a watch, you usually don't have to wait up to half a year. Since our process of developing a personal and truly unique watch together with our customers is so innovative in the world of watches, we often get requests from people who would rather have their watch today than tomorrow. But to make a custom watch takes time, and our workshop capacities, this is Carolyn the goldsmith and me, are limited. We don't hold piles of prefabricated parts in our shop. So far, we haven't built a watch twice. Each watch looks different, although some colors are more popular than others. But we'll talk about color later. We used to have a configurator with 6 chosen colors for all the different parts of the watch, like the case, the dial, the rotor, the hands, the screws and so on, on our old website. It was meant to assist people to get a first idea of the kind of color combination they prefer. So to say, as a starting point of the subsequent consulting and design process. It never stayed just with these colors, but each watch got personalized with engravings, special lume concepts, its own dial design, etc. I've never counted the possibilities for these 6 selected colors, but Mike Razak from A Block to Watch did the math once when he visited our US partner Martin Pulley in Philadelphia. By the way, you should check out his well-researched article. The pictures he made alone are worth checking it out. But also his honest and independent view on our watches might be interesting for you. We put the link to his article in the description. Thank you, Mike, again. Anyway, Mike counted over 73 million possible combinations. Over 73 million! And this is only the options with the few colors of the configurator. To a lot of people, this many options are overwhelming. They cannot decide. They are afraid to make a mistake when choosing their perfect high-end watch. So we decided to get rid of the configurator since it confuses people more than it helps them. What always leads to a successful decision is when we sit down together with our customers and they get an individual consultation, either in person or via video call. And as a nice side effect, it's fun for both of us. By far, the most preferred color of our watches is purple. All of them look different in the end, but what attracts people is the unique purple color of our titanium watches. It is only possible because our watches are made of titanium, which has the rather unique characteristic of being able to change its color through a chemical process. This procedure is called anodizing and can be roughly described as the intentional oxidation of the metal surface using electricity and chemicals. If you want to learn more about this, be sure to check out our channel. We cover the topic in various other videos. It feels like magic when a watch part turns into shining purple. But since we are no magicians, there is a lot of knowledge and testing necessary to achieve those colors. All anodized parts shimmer in the light. When wearing one of our watches, you never get bored. I've been wearing my prototype for over 5 years, daily, and the anodized titanium still fascinates me every day. Why am I telling you all of this? Well, because the intention of our YouTube channel is to give true insights into our work. And our work doesn't only mean standing at the mill or making watch parts at the goldsmiths or watchmaking table. When creating a new watch, there is a lot of work necessary before we even start with our first prototype. By the way, if you're interested in the design process of our custom watch, have a look at this video. We won't let the cat out of the bag yet, but as you know us, we take all the valuable feedback from our community very seriously. So you can get a glimpse of what we took into consideration when designing this new titanium beauty. We will launch a watch that speaks our language of design. It will be innovative, clean and perfect to wear in everyday life. And it will take into account the feedback from our community. And that's you. What can we reveal to you today? We call this new art project our tragwerk.T Signature Edition. This term describes best what will characterize this version. The watch will have features selected and designed for you by us. It will have a unique look and yet remain entirely in our style and design language. Of course, we will never have mass production, but coming from making fully customized unique pieces step by step, which we will continue as well, but in lower quantities for now, creating a mini-series is a completely different way of working for us. We're going to manufacture a limited edition of 25 handmade watches. Making these 25 pieces in one go allows us to give more fans from our community the chance to get a titanium watch from us, in the highest quality with a high degree of innovation and guaranteed to be handcrafted. People go crazy with our anodized purple. So yes, purple will play the major role in our signature edition. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you'd like to follow the journey of our new watch project, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to follow us on Instagram as well, while we often take you with us into our day-to-day workshop life via our stories. In the next video, we will be in our workshop showing you the process of making the parts for our new watch. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.